Kanimoli has maintained that she is just a shareholder. The entire conspiracy was hatched by A. Raja. Details coming in from the special CBI court. Let's go across to Madhav and Vikram joining us. Madhav, key statement being made by Kanimoli. Now she's pointed fingers at A. Raja.
Absolutely. In fact, Kanimoli very clearly distancing herself from Raja. That now appears to be the strategy of Kanimoli as far as defending herself in court is concerned. Her lawyer there, Ram Jethmalani, telling the court that as far as the entire conspiracy is concerned, that is something that was hatched by A. Raja. She was just another shareholder in that company like any other shareholder, and she had absolutely no knowledge whatsoever of these payments. Now, very clearly it is this payment of about 200 crores from Cineyug to Kalaignar TV that is being very closely looked at by the CBI, because they believe this is a huge kickback that was paid really to Kalaignar TV. That is really the big question at this point of time. Kanimoli, of course, has been questioned twice in the past on this very same issue, but now, in fact, really crystallizing her strategy by certainly saying that distancing herself from this entire matter, saying that as far as the criminal conspiracy of this entire matter is concerned, that is something that A. Raja was responsible for, and that she has had absolutely no knowledge of it. So quite clearly, Kanimoli choosing to distance herself from Raja, choosing to apportion the blame on Raja, and saying that she herself was completely without any knowledge of what transpired at that point of time.
Madhav, stay with us. Vikram also joining us from Chennai. Vikram, it seems to be a strategy. We know how close Kanimoli is to the former telecom minister. It could be a clear strategy as far as the DMK is concerned to try and distance itself at the moment.
Well, indeed, right now the DMK has definitely distanced itself from A. Raja after this kind of a statement being made by Ram Jethmalani inside the court, clearly saying that Kanimoli is just a shareholder and she was not involved in the day-to-day operations of the Kalaignar TV and the running of the channel, and she was just a part of a 20% shareholder in the whole news channel, Kalaignar TV. But that's the kind of stand that's been maintained by both the DMK, the party president Karunanidhi, and the Kanimoli right from the beginning when the case was broken out some time back. They have always maintained that they are completely clean. They had no role in the whole issue that had happened, especially with regard to the 200 crore loan that was given, that was passed on from Cineyug to Kalaignar TV. They said that it was just a loan that was taken from Cineyug to Kalaignar TV and they returned back. And with regard to the conspiracy angle that was actually named in the charge sheet on April 25th, Kanimoli has come out clearly out in the open saying that she had no role in it. She has been completely clean. She will face the whole issue legally, and that she had no knowledge about the whole dealing at this, what had actually happened. And that's exactly what she's maintaining in the court at this point of time. And Ram Jethmalani clearly saying that Kanimoli is just a law-abiding citizen and she has no role in the whole issue that had happened.